just trying to get that bass line nice and juicy. It needs to be as juicy as possible. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. All I wanted was to kiss you, hold you, kiss you, baby. Come to my apartment, have a little French weekend. Yo, I'm gonna bust out the bread. Gonna put a little cream coffee up inside a bowl now. We drinking coffee up in a bowl. We watch the sunrise. We talk about the shit. I look in your eyes, then you look in mine, and then we come a little closer. It's time for a French kiss, baby. Time to. I said kiss me, I said kiss me, I said kiss me, I said kiss me. I said a French weekend, baby girl, I said kiss me. I said it's quarantine, baby, no one's looking, let's have some rosé at 10 a.m. I said no one's looking, baby, it's no one's looking, baby, it's no one's looking, baby, it's no one's looking, baby. Oh! All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want All you wanna do is run from your past.